We are about to drop the ball here. Nice air guitar there from Howell. I wonder what's in his mind. Pretty young dude. Rock and roll barely exists anymore, so I wonder what he's strumming to. Just curious. God, now he's kayaking. Look at this kid. All that energy, and he's still gonna run really fast. All right, John Edenburn, captain of the Blizz, with a white jersey and a blue helmet. So he's kind of giving the reverse treatment. That's interesting. I guess as long as he's not red. Dude. All right, Hal, let's get on side there, and we can drop the ball. Game 1, May 12th. Here we go. 13 minutes on the clock. We have action underway. Tribbett has it, tries to rip it over to Edinburgh. No, Howell gets it. Rip. Rips it. More of a dump. Here we go. On the far boards. In the corner. Edinburgh there. Doing the dirty work. Rudy Lyon. Hey, Howell gets it. See if we can get it past Tribbett. Ooh, for a nice little rush. Oops. Kind of 1-on-3. Can't get the whole angle, but not an ideal situation, so he pulls up. Has his link right over to Rudy Lyon. And honestly, kind of close to Howell. There we go. Beautiful. Nice to see that. They develop. I don't know if that was a happy accident or an intended pass. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt. Early Knightmare goal, 1-0. Lead over the Blizz. So a goal scored literally just a minute 20-ish into the game. Nowakowski tries to rip it, but he can't get it past Torres. Nowakowski gets it back. Over to Hare, no. Pass denied. Sundstrom rips it. Deflected kind of into the corner over the side, boys. Sundstrom looking for ideas. Defended well. Bowling has it. Gets it over the line. And then Bowling gets it. Nowakowski, Bowling puts it in. Nope. Jake Bowling about to rip it. No, looking for a centering pass. Nope, denied by Sundstrom. Trying to get it out of harm's way. Bowling does. Kept in by Nowakowski. Dumps it deep. Still inside. Jordan Bowling trying to get out of the zone. That one maybe an icing. Bowling refuses to touch it. We have the call. Face up down here. We have Hare taking the drop against Sundstrom. Sundstrom wins for the Knightmare, wins the face-off. Still in the zone, still a minute, and Cooper McCarty chasing after it. Nice deflection there by Bowling, good stick lift. Jordan Bowling, Jake Bowling. Over to Decker. Decker gets it out of the zone, almost. Oh, still in, Felimas grabs it. Bouncing in by himself. Gets the tire of feet of Sundstrom. Dumped in by Robinson. Nice pass right in front of the net. Felimas was. Good save. Bring around the 10th. He's going to get that first. It's Jake Bowling. Gets it over to Hare. Yeah, Still in. Stillerman keeps it in. Blocked by Rudy. Out of the zone. McCarty. Yeah, he's going to bring that in for an offside call. Rudy's way across the line. Maybe even Torres as well. Stays up right here. Alright, face up here against Zachary Best versus Rudy Lyon. Score 1-0 Knightmare goal. Here comes Howell kayaking to the right wing. Oh, nice pick there by Nestor. Dumps it in the zone. Let's pull up there by Boylan trying to ditch the D. He can't quite do it. Kelly's on him. Boylan looking for options. He opts for Betts with a high slot. Passes back, give and go. That was close. Hatter over to get the rebound. Passes. Just out of the zone. Still may give chase. Nice deflection. Waits for his teammates. Good quick shot. Still in play. Oh, missed the backhand there, did Torres. Flipped up over to Kelly. Kelly's going to grab it. No icing on that call. Boylan, good stick attempt. Betts keeps the puck in. Nice play. But nonetheless, Howell gets it from Rudy Lyon. Nice stick check there by Stillerman. He's up on the play. Rips it. Nestor grabs it, flips it over to Howell. Center ice over to Rudy, back to Howell. Again to Howell. Is he going to get a shot? Off the pass to Rudy. That is going to cross the line. I think that's going to 2-0 Knightmare right now. With 7 minutes on the clock. Sundstrom's got to be feeling good about this lead, but the two-goal lead is kind of dangerous, especially in the first. So let's see what happens. Torres taking the right wing. Ben Sowers on the left wing. Sowers takes it over the line. Looking for Sundstrom. No. Takes it back because he can. Take it all the way back to the red line. Nice little regroup idea. Gives it to Bowling. Bowling over to Torres. Torres in the corner. That was pressured by Nowakowski. Bowling. Decker giving chase. Bowling gets it first. Like the Tavito in front? No. Ooh, almost slips out of the zone. Into the corner. Tavito funnels in front. No, Sunshine. Oh, nice risky play by Nowakowski. Can't do it again. Nope, Sunshine into the zone. Torres with him. So Sowers play broken up. Now we have it going the other way. Decker gets rid of it quickly. Into Bowling. Bowling has men offside. Dumps it in. Yeah, we have Torres offside by several feet. Yeah, it was Torres. Good call. That's all I can say. Face off, won by the Knightmare. Poked over by Simpson. Kept deep by Torres. Fire deep. Hare has it. Funnels over to Tavito. No. Decker gets it deep. Nice little foot play there. Foot play, I don't know about that. Did it get over the center line? That's what Decker's wondering. Tavito taking a draw here against Ola High School teammate Kirk Sundstrom. Won by the Blues. Trips back. Flips it into the referee, I think. Shot behind the goalie. Goalie chooses to play it. Handled by Nowakowski. Over to Tribbett. Tribbett looking for Hatter maybe on the boards. Get it out of harm's way here. Hatter unable to advance the call. That's Hatter. Bowling still there. Still onside the ball. Over to Cooper McCarty. Does he fire it? A slow shot. Good position here by Cooper McCarty, looking for yet another shot right in front of the net. Held by the goalie, face off. Just over 3.5 minutes left to play in the first period. This is game 1, May 12. Captain John Edinburgh playing the wing. That's an interesting one. What are we trying to do with that? Nice flip up there by Betts. Over to Boylan. Boylan looking for a shot. He should be. He ups the pass to Betts. Betts flips it up high. Edinburgh with the rebound. Pops it deep to Boylan. Boylan looking for somebody in front. No. Probably going to have to go back to Edinburgh. Really good coverage in front of the net. Betts goes back behind. Boylan in front, cycling. But Edinburgh, and he rips it. Loose ball, loose ball. Betts rips it in front. See if Edinburgh can get there. No. Ooh, the ball is held in onside. Good play there by the D-man. I believe that's it for Robinson. Stillman has it in front. High slap. Boylan. There to pick up the chain. Covering the point like I did for. Betts has it in the corner, gets around Kelly easy. Looking for somebody in front. I think he has Stillerman there. Opts for Edinburgh. Edinburgh loves to pass a little bit. Stillerman out of the zone. Now out of the zone. Robinson gets it out, scoops it out. Allen with the pressure there. Nestor just says, I'll take it. Tillman rips it around, looking like Edinburgh's going to get there. Kelly doesn't attack him. Nice play there by Kelly, though. Keep it right up the sideboard, get it deep. Robinson, see if he can clear it. Over to Edinburgh. Edinburgh, Betts, Kalinas up against Nestor. A little body contact, but we're good there. Puck is still in the zone. Talvito gets it deep. Kalinas looking for Talvito or Edinburgh. Nice coverage there in the high slot. Pulling them for back out there. In case the pass goes long or giving another offensive option. Nope. Ooh, right by Robinson, still in the back to cover the slack. We have an icing call on the play. Please throw it back down here. Referee Riley Mulvihill. That's kind of a complicated referee. Mulvihill. Good for the boys. Good football. That's all he needs. Nestor has it behind the net. Pops the ring around. Net with a stick. Bowling has it. In front. No. Save. Faceoff should be down here. That's where the shot was taken. Nowakowski looking solid so far. 31 on blue. Ricky Talvito takes the faceoff. Looks like he's going to touch him yet again. Pass it by Tribbett, just dropping it to his D partner. Yeah, buzzers the end of the first period. Here's the scoreboard. 2-0. Knightmare lead at the end of the first. Intermission 1. Getting the second period here. Naptown Knightmare leads the Blazers 2-0. Face off won by the Knightmare. Handled by Cooper McCarty. Gets it in deep. Or does he? Nope. Simpson has it. Looking for somebody to do something in front. McCarty jockeying for position. Bowling gets it, flips it up the boards. Polimas hustles. He's going to have Bowling back in the low slot. Polimas gets his own rebound, hands it over to Talvito. Talvito looking to get it deep. Sowers bobbles. Talvito back on the forecheck quickly. Sundstrom all on his own. Nope, until it's sliding. Nowakowski. Puck's still loose. Out to the point. Bowling rips it wide. Decker. Sloppy clear there. Give him an extra shot on net. Ball hits the net, so we're going to have a face-off. Players will change. Referee Marble Hills congregating over here. Let's follow him. After lining up with Bowling, Jordan has his B partner. Face off one by the Knightmare. Over to Howell. No. Bowling looking to keep it alive. Nice dumper, but that's looking for hair in the low slot. That's Ox. Take it around, looking for Sillerman, late man, nope. Torres, can he bop it out of the zone? Nope, instead, Betts has it. Betts, looking for hair in front. Torres, Ooh, ball loose, held. Play there, Stillman called for the ball, calling for the shot. Shot on net, got through. Great play. Stillman rips it right to his teammate. Rudy Line has it, looking for somebody in front. In the neutral zone, nobody's moving. Nestor looking for somebody to pass to. Nobody's moving in the neutral zone. We got Kelly Howell. Lomi. Towards the hair battling. Betts gets in deep right into the ref's face. Stillman keeps it in. Nice play there. Come get Rudy Lyon. Rudy rips it around over to Howell. Howell looking to have a rush. Who's fast enough to keep up with this guy? Kelly is captains in front. Ball squirts loose. Nestor has it. Nestor plugs on the deep. He does. Hare has it first there. Good puck retrieval. Nice cross-ice pass over to Hatter. Beautiful. Right on the tape. Nice pass. Hatter mishandles it into the corner. Looking for his man Talvito. No, Rudy gets a pass over to Howell. Nice pass. Top loose by Robinson. Number 69. Catch up to Howell. Howell rips it, saved by Jordan. Face off down here. Nestor up to whip it right in front. Sundstrom's in front. 12 looking for maybe Cooper McCarty. Got a man wide open, low slot. He finds him. Cooper fires. Fires again. No. Back to Sundstrom. McCarty moving around. Nice play there. Trying to get open for that offensive opportunity. Sundstrom fires it in off the goalie's gear, it looks like. The squeeze 3-0 Naptown. Knightmare lead over the Blizz. Just over 8 minutes left in the second. Captain Johnny Edenburn in his new blue helmet, probably shaking his head at his team, wondering how they're going to get back into this. Looks like they're without Darren Treves tonight, one of their star scorers in general, offensive playmakers in general, power play quarterback in general. He's a star. Nice pass over to Edenburn. Edenburn has Talvita shooting right in front. It's Boylan. Boylan rips. Saved by the goaltender. Bowen doesn't have it. Sunstrom tries to rip it out backhand. Still hasn't saved. Oh man, nice effort. Lyman opted to get physical, really putting his body on the line, trying to clear that ball. Still can't. Boylan has it in the corner. Looking for Talvita, looking for Edenburn. Looking for a shot. They're giving him ice. He's going to take it. He looks for Talvita. Can't quite stretch to it. Sliding move though. Talvita loves to slide. Get chased off what will be over here. Looks like it. Just over 6.5 remaining in that second period. This is game 1. Those are Coach's Knightmare. Stay with us for the rest of the night. We got 3 more games. Back into 10th. Came up empty. Notowski able to keep it in the zone. Decker says no. Notowski out to do it again. Good boy. Nice pass in the corner. Flipped up high. Right up. Good by Torres. Met by Notowski. Jake Bowling has a nice little touch pass over the backs. We'll have a chance to get it deep. Nice play there by Jake Bowling. Decker has it. Nope. That's back. Oh, little backhand slap there. Another shot. Oh, loose, but goalie picks it up just in time. Zach Betts taking a face off. There's Rudy Lyon. Blizzard win. Polimas shoots. Wide. Tribbett going for the rebound. Tribbett finds Polimas again. Shoots. Sowers can't quite get around Polimas. Polimas back to Betts. Betts back to the point man. Tribbett. Back to Betts. Back to Bowling. Yeah, good opportunity for a shot there. Betts looking for the finisher until we have a whistle. Yep. Referee calling the ball dead right in front of the goalie. Good idea. Grungy goals count too, eh? Bowling rips it. Nestor over the Lion. Cooper can't quite get around Notowski. Backhand dumps it over to Polimas. Fires. Wide. Lion charging into the neutral zone. Ooh, nice block there by carries it over the line. Nice play. Not used to seeing him pick it up. Pass back to Talvita. Backhand. Looking for a red light pass, but Howell gets it instead. Now he's probably going to break away with this pass. He's got Cooper with him. Howell shoots, deflected. Tribbett has it back. Looking for another pass. Over to Talvita in the neutral zone. Him and Hare together again. Big aggressive slap there with the goalie stick. Nestor digs it out of the corner. Rudy's right behind the net. Trying to put it far away, but I believe that hit the referee's foot. Almost on the goal. Good McCarty looking to put it out of the zone. Scoops it to Kelly, but not quite all the way there. No, Kasky has it in the corner. Nobody's on him yet. There's Rudy. Talvito fires. Hare looking for the rebound. Hare looking for the point man. Trib it, blast it. Looks like that's Robinson out on point. We have the line change. Ivan Robinson now, deep Hare. Yeah, Rudy's taking the ball out. Let's see if his men are on the side. They are. Gets a quick shot in the corner now. McCarty, yeah, battle easily won there. And Nowakowski. Here's the other red line. Looking for Hatter, can't quite find him. Swenson instead. Hatter gets it back, he rips it. Wide. Master, back to Cooper. Cooper, up with Howell, looking for, and Swenson trying, yep, we have men on offside. Great call by the referee. A little warm. How you doing, Garrett? You're good. Which ones do you play today? You play 2, I assume, game 2? 2 and 3? Okay. How do you feel about the back-to-back? You like it better? Sorry?
It doesn't let you get, cooled down.
Yeah, that's what I've heard. I don't know. Initially, I think I would hate it, but then, yeah, once you're warmed up, you're like, yeah, might as well get it over with. But I'd probably be tired. So hopefully you guys have more than 2 subs this week. Nice shot. Good luck in your game, man. Speaking of Jared Oliver of the Cryptids, Edinburgh has it, below in the circle, back to bets. So 3-0 Knightmare lead, almost here at the end of the second period. Boylan digging in the corner, just trying to find an open lane, a shot or a pass to Betts. He finds it, back to Boylan, no. Betts quick to get the rebound, looking for the point man, finds him. Robinson, 69, what's he gonna do? Rips it. It gets through. Boylan gets another shot, good attempt. Burn, stole, not quite past Decker. Decker flips it loose over to Silverman. Betts rips it into the goalie spot. Finds a save. There we go. That's into the second period. As we head into intermission, Naptown Knightmare will lead 3-0 over the Blizz. Intermission to begin. Back to begin action here in the third period. His house winning to the right wing. Sorry, kayaking to the right wing. 13 minutes on the clock. 3-0 lead. Knightmare over the Blizz. Knightmare off to the races. Rudy Lyon wins the faceoff. Looking to score here. still in front. Rudy backhand over to Sowers. This is Sowers. Sowers looking for Howell. Misses him. Floats it in front. Just wide. Sowers has it. It's the back of the net. Big bowling. Beautiful pass over to Aiden Polimas. Kelly has it. Polimas gets it back. Falls in front of the net. No. Gets the back of the net. He's just going to run all around. Looking for Bowling in front. Bowling gets the rebound. Trying to make something happen around behind the net. Flip it to Calvito, who's always in front of the net, right? Yeah, we have an interference call there. Nestor visibly interfering with the player, Aiden Polinas. So he's going to go away for 2 minutes running clock. We're going to have a Blizzard power play. We've got Nestor, 23, the defenseman, in the box, 2 minutes interference. Sowers chatting with him about it. Nestor joining the action. The clock is running now for the power play. Blizzard really need to line their players up faster to get the most out of this power play. Back to Bowling. Bowling looking to clear the zone. Back to Polimas. Polimas fires in front, looking for deflection. No. Jordan Bowling has it. Ooh. Nice play there by John Edenberg. Yep, that scores. That was a quick power play goal there by the Blizz. 3-1 score now. Let's go to the scoreboard. Teams are going to be even strength now. Face off one. Deep into the Knightmare zone. Bowling looking for. Nice stick by Hatter. Hatter over to Hare. Hare. Gets to Robinson. Robinson to Hare. Sloppy ball play, but the Blues still have it. Hatter looking to make something happen deep in the zone. Decker steals it away. Hatter gets it back.
No, play the man!
No icing call on the play. And Riley Mulverhill making a call. Nowakowski pursued by Chip McCarty. Good stick right there. Chip McCarty not known for his back check, but man, he sure did it right there. Oh, nice. Good by Blauman, risking his body to try to keep that ball in bounds in the zone. Decker. Nope, looks like a fall. Just in there, Robinson able to gain into the zone. He dumps it deep. No icing on this play. Jordan Bowling, first one back with the ball. Got Hatter. Nice pass over to Sunstrom. And with the full head of steam, he's all on his own. Shot right into the chest pads, unfortunately. Looking for another shot. Oh, Boylan has the ball. Looks like he's all by himself. It's a 1-on-3. Teammates going up for a team. It's a deep, looking for Betts. Nice play there. Oh, yeah, really freaking for the net. Betts, is he going to get another one? There's the ball. Boylan looking for it. Back to Betts. Not quite strong enough pass. Boylan gets another chance to set up. Betts fires. Good angle taken by the goalie. Ripped wide. Edenberg gathers it up. Back to Tribbett. That's in front. Edenberg goal. That was Boylan to Betts to Edenberg for a Blizzard goal. That's 2-3. Naptown Knightmare still have the lead 3-2, but for how long? Blizzard on a roll. Look at Rudy's face. He's looking frustrated. What I said earlier, 2-goal lead, never very comfy long term, especially in the first period. Capito taking the draw versus Rudy Lyon. Rudy wins Back to Nestor. Nestor. To Sowers. Sowers the lion. 3-on-2 if they hurry. Shot wide. There's Torres looking to gather the puck. Bowling has it instead. Bowling looking for Talvito. Wide. Still in the zone. Nestor looking to take it deep. Sowers good chase. Looking for a man in front of the net. He finds one. Ready? No. Cycling around the net. Torres slaps it. Here's Talvito. Firmly in control here. He's got Polina Swift taking a casual pace. Polina Sanders on side with Talvito. Jake Bowling, the late man. Sowers bobbles it. Able to clear. Oh, yeah, just able to clear the zone. Trivet right back with it. Again out. Polina's putting on pressure. Trivet has the ball. This is onside. Good effort over there, but Becker makes a beautiful seal there. Backhanded there by Trivet wide. Talvito makes a nice pop behind the net. Polinas has nobody in front to pass to except for Talvito, so he does a little spinny thing. Polinas has it again. I think he's just faster than Nestor here. It. Oh, backhands it out to Malkowski. Back to pressure. Howell. Ball still in onside. Jordan Bowling has it. Let's pass it for 69 Robinson. Robinson all alone. 1-on-4. Back to Hare. Hare shoots it wide. Nowakowski looking for the rebound. Hatter has it instead. Nowakowski looking in front. Low slot. Lots of bodies in front of the net. Tillman, he's probably going to rip it. Nope. Rips it wide. Robinson gets the rebound. Throws it back to the point man. Nowakowski back down deep. Robinson. Stillman getting it. Coach there, keep it in front of him. Nice pass over to Hatter. Nestor making the body position. Getting the ball out of Hatter's stick. Hare has it in the corner. Unable to get a shot. Sundstrom leading the charge. Tries to flip the pass to him, and he does. A little bit hard into the corner. So we're 5 to play here. After the Blues trying to clear the zone. We have Sundstrom grabbing his ankle in the background. We'll update you here with progress. Bowling has the ball. Sundstrom's limping to the bench. Howell has the ball on his stick. Look at the buddies. Flips it to himself. He just walks in. Just 2 shots, no big deal. Saved by the goalie. Just under 5 minutes left to play in the third. This is game 1, May 12th. Game 1, we have 4 total. Background is Pete Mulvihill. We've seen Riley Mulvihill in the building. That means 2 extra cryptic players. They always have a short bench, I swear. There's at least 2 bodies they'll have on the roster tonight. They're on the bench. Can we get out of his zone? Up by Betts. Betts trying to get it through. Slap by Bowling. Betts gets it over to Boylan. Beautiful pass over to Boylan. Boylan all alone. Brings it back. Looking for Betts. Beautiful pass to Betts' stick. Betts gets his own rebound. In the corner, Boylan finds it. Those are really a good ball possession team, if that's a thing. Puck possession, ball possession seems like a relevant stat. These guys just always have the ball. It's always in their sticks. They're always making quick passes. These guys just know what to do when they have it on their stick. Trivet gets it past the defenseman. Oh, rips it. Just wide. Boylan has it. Boylan finds Betts. He's got a full shot. Blocked. Inbound. That one snuck through. He's got a tie score here. 3-3. Just under 3.5 left in the third period. A lot of threes here, but the Blizzard just tied it up. We have ourselves a ball game. Have the Knightmare pooped the bed, or are the Blizzard just freaking powerhouses? Let's see what happens with the rest of the third period. All right, looks like we've got a timeout. Coverage will continue. 3:13 left to play in the third. We are resuming right after the timeout. Tavito gets it deep, Foley holds it, he freezes it. Face off down here. So we have a running clock just right at 3 minutes to play left in this game. Regulation. Tavito wins the draw. Sowers comes out with it in the corner, looking to get out of the zone. Over to Howell. Howell flips it, gets it to himself. He's all alone. Stillman can catch up. Ooh, Howell buries it, unassisted. Or was it? Let the referee make that call, but beautiful goal there by Howell. Did a lot of the work there himself. So Knightmare, we're up 3-0. The Blizzard claw back, 3-3. Knightmare making a statement with just under 2.5 left to play here. Knightmare coming out to a lead. Here's Torres on the right wing. Lyon loses the faceoff to Talvito. You're going to see a big sense of urgency by the Blizz in the last couple minutes. Just over 2 minutes remaining in regulation. Blizzard are down by 1 goal. Here's Becker giving chase. Chased by Polimas and Bowling. Polimas over to cover Nestor. Nestor flips it over to Lyon. Lyon able to control it around Talvito. Cook McCarty has it. Gets it deep. It's a great way to eat the clock. Stolen in the corner, met by Cooper McCarty. Sundstrom settles it down. Looking for another shot. Wide, well wide. Cooper McCarty getting the rebound. Over to point man. Yes. Becker fires. Stillman retrieving the puck. Over to Talvito. Well, indirectly. Talvito firing a hot pass over to Polinas. He can't grab it, but it is not offside. Nestor finds it. Trying to get it. Loose ball. Tribbett. Over to Talvito. Talvito giving chase. He's back. He's playing D right now, I guess. Offside call. A little bit of chaos ensuing. A lot of possession changes. Got a man caught offside. Face off. 1 minute exactly remaining in regulation. Knightmare lead 4-3. Looking the Blues do. First off, they lose the face off. Stillman pumps it deep. Right to Sundstrom. Back Betts. Over to Edenburn. Edenburn. Looking for Boylan. Boylan finds it. Defended by Bowling. Bowling pulls up in the low slot. Still defended by Bowling. Good coverage there by Sundstrom on Betts. Betts looking behind the net for Boylan. Boylan gets a shot. Terrible angle shots so far. They really need to probably spread out, but just a lot of bodies in front of them. Boylan whips it. Wide. Edenburn getting the rebound. No. Nowakowski. Edenburn. Deep to Nowakowski or to himself. That was an interesting play. Edenburn looking for the pass. Sundstrom blasts it wide. That will be an icing call because goalie did not touch it. Stop clock. 11 seconds left in the game. See if the Blizz can make something happen in this last face-off. All right, we have a timeout for the Blizz this time. Coverage will remain. Just spin it here. Or end of the timeout. Let's resume coverage. 11 seconds remaining in regulation. Knightmare, red. Blizzard, blue. Knightmare lead 4-3. 11 seconds. Can the Blizzard do something about this? Can they win the face-off? Talvito's the man for the job, but he's up against Sundstrom. He's a tough in the dot. Talvito wins the draw. Over to Edenburn. Nope, he's tied up by Kelly. Sufficiently tied up by Kelly. Killing seconds. Rudy has it. Trying to dump it. Still in the zone. Knightmare pull off the win. 4-3. Knightmare over the Blizz. May 12th, game 1. Players rejoice. Knightmare rejoice. End of game one. We'll see you here for the next one.